Friends, let's see how to cure cold and cough in a natural way. In Tamil we call it as grandma's home remedy or Pati Vaidyam. Now, let's see how it can be done. There are 3 ingredients are needed. Ingredient 1, take 5 betel leaves. Ingredient 2, take 10 whole turmeric. Ingredient 3, take 1 inch or 1.5 inch turmeric stick. Take all these 3 and mince the betel leaves considerable sizes, and then using pepper and turmeric stick just crush it little bit. Now take a pan and pour the water. Wait until the water is about to boil. Now put the minced betel leaf and then crushed pepper and turmeric stick. Wait for a while until the water color is about to change into brownish. Then switch it off. Again wait for the water turn into the room temperature or warm temperature. Filter it and drink it. Here you go. This water can be drink morning and evening, means after meals. Hope you guys will enjoy this natural technique of curing cold and cough. Thank you.